You're worried about sagging skin and all the other signs of aging. You wonder what damage all these cosmetic chemicals are doing in the long term. We at Anne Marie want you to take the toxic to clean routine. Our products are anti-aging and non-toxic. We handcraft skincare using organic and wild-crafted ingredients that promise beautiful, glowing skin. Our products are natural and honest, just like our ingredients. No hidden surprises here. Take the 3 steps: cleanse, tone, moisturize. All for $9.99 with a bonus anti-aging serum. Click here to fight aging by going from toxic to clean.